everyone, my name is Rachel Washburn and welcome to a video tutorial for finding and chatting with friends online with the Facebook app. In this video, I will provide an overview of the Facebook app. Then, I will provide step-by-step instructions for downloading Facebook on your device, creating a Facebook account, signing in on the Facebook app, modifying privacy settings on Facebook, sending friend requests, accepting friend requests, and chatting with friends. Then, I will end the video with safe practices to consider when using Facebook. I also want to note here that Facebook did not sponsor us or pay us money to make a video using their app. We make these videos to support older adults who are interested in learning more about their smartphones and tablets. This video will also not cover everything you can do on Facebook. Facebook is a social media platform where you can connect with friends, post life updates, share pictures and videos, find online communities, buy and sell items, and more. Users can also follow businesses and organizations to receive updates from them. You can connect with friends by sending them friend requests. Once the friend request is accepted, you can see pictures of your friends' posts and message them. There are also a lot of things we can do on the Facebook app. The video you are currently watching is the first part of a 3-part series. In this video, we will go over how to download Facebook and find friends. In the second video, we will learn how to post pictures and live updates for our friends to see. We will also take a look at interacting with online communities on Facebook called Facebook groups. Finally, in the third video, we will learn how to buy and sell items on the Facebook Marketplace feature. To view our other video tutorials on the Facebook app, tap on the link in the description below. Tapping on the link will bring you to the Tech Skills for Older Adults website created by Colorado State University's Center for Healthy Aging. Next, I will provide some step-by-step instructions for downloading Facebook on your device. Starting on the home screen, we first need to tap an app that allows us to download other apps. This app is called the App Store on iPhones and iPads. On Android phones, such as Samsung and Google Pixel, this app is called Google Play. Upon opening the App Store or Google Play, tap on the search icon. On the App Store, the search icon is located at the bottom right corner. On Google Play, the search bar is located at the top of the screen. Next, tap on the search text box located at the top of the screen and type in the word Facebook using the keyboard. Then, tap the search or enter key at the bottom right corner of the keyboard. Next, locate the app for Facebook. Adjacent to the Facebook app, tap on the download icon. The download icon may look different depending on your device. It may have a downward arrow with a cloud behind it or have a box that says Get or Download. If you do not see the Facebook app on your device, scroll down by dragging a finger from the middle to the top of the screen. Next, let's take a look at how to create a Facebook account. If you already have a Facebook account, we will learn how to sign into the app shortly. Starting on the home screen, tap on the Facebook app icon. If you do not see Facebook on the home screen, drag a finger horizontally to view different pages of the home screen. Next, tap on Create New Account, located at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Get Started. Then tap on the text box that says First Name to display the keyboard and type in your first name. Next, tap on Last Name to display the keyboard and type in your last name. Then tap on the blue Next button. For some people, putting their full name may feel uncomfortable. You do not have to. Instead, you could put a last initial. However, having your full name for your Facebook account makes it easier for people you know in real life to send you a friend request to you on the app. Next, use the date selection tool at the bottom of the screen to choose your birth date. To choose your birth date, hold down a finger on the month, then drag your finger up or down until you reach your birth month. Then, do the same for the day and year. Then, tap on the blue Next button. Next, tap on the circle located to the right of the gender you identify with. If you need more options, tap on the circle to the right of More Options. Facebook will now ask for a phone number or email address to make an account. It doesn't matter which one you use. Depending on which one you choose, Facebook will send a verification code through text or email. I recommend choosing your phone number if you are more comfortable navigating the text messages app. If you are more comfortable using email, then I would type in your email address. By default, Facebook will ask for your phone number. If you would like to create your account using your email, tap on Sign Up with Email located under the Next button. Once you have typed in your phone number or email, tap on the Next button. Next, tap on Password to display the keyboard. Then, type in a password of your choosing. Then, tap on the Next button. As you type in your password, you will notice it will be covered with dots. If you would like to see your password as you create it, tap on the show icon located to the right of the screen. The show icon is characterized by an eye with a slash through it. Next, Facebook will ask to save your login information so you don't have to type it in every time you log in. If you would like Facebook to do this, tap on Save. If you would rather type in your login information yourself when you open the app, tap on Not Now. Next, read Facebook's terms and policies and tap I agree. Next, Facebook will send you a confirmation code through text or email depending on whether you provided your phone number or email address earlier. To find the verification code, navigate to your home screen. Then, tap on your text or email app. The most recent message sent should be the verification code from Facebook. Write down the code. Then, navigate back to the home screen and tap on the Facebook app icon. Then, type in the confirmation code using the PIN pad. Then, tap Next. Allow a few minutes for the confirmation code to be sent. If you do not receive a verification code, tap on I didn't get the code. If you would like to add a profile picture, tap on Add Picture located at the bottom of the screen. If you do not want to add a picture, tap on Skip. Adding a picture is optional, but it does make it easier for your friends to identify you and send you a friend request. If you decide to add a picture, tap on Choose from Camera Roll to select a picture you have already taken that is in your Photos app, or tap on Take Photo to take a picture of yourself. Then, tap on the Next button located at the bottom of the screen to finish creating an account. Facebook may ask you to use the phone number contacts in your phone to help you find people on Facebook you already know. If you would like Facebook to do this, tap on Allow or Yes, depending on what your device says. Next, we will take a look at how to sign in on the Facebook app if you already have an account. Starting on your device's home screen, tap on the Facebook app icon. Then, tap on Mobile Number or Email to display the keyboard. Then, type in your phone number or email associated with your Facebook account. Next, tap on Password to type in your password. Finally, tap on the blue Login button. Before we get into connecting with people on Facebook, I would like to show you how to modify your privacy settings. When posting something on Facebook, you can choose whether you would like only your friends to see it or anyone to see it regardless if you have connected on Facebook as friends. To locate privacy settings on Facebook, first tap on the Facebook app icon located on the home screen. Then tap on Menu located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the expand icon to the right of the settings and privacy. The expand icon is characterized by a pointed bracket that is pointed downwards. Then tap on settings located under settings and privacy. Next, tap on default audience settings. Then tap on the circle located to the right of friends so that only the people you can connect with on Facebook as friends can see your posts. Then tap next. Note that even if you only allow your Facebook friends to see your posts, items posted for sale on Facebook Marketplace can be viewed by everyone. This helps you sell the item quicker. Next, tap on Confirm to change your settings. Another way to learn more about privacy settings on Facebook is to use the Facebook Checkup tool. So we're still under Settings and Privacy that we navigated to a few steps back. Then, tap on Privacy Checkup. Then, tap on a subject title to learn more about it. As Facebook provides educational slides about privacy settings, you will have the opportunity to change settings as you walk through it. Next, we will learn how to befriend people on Facebook. Throughout this video, I have often used the term Facebook Friends, but I haven't defined it. So, there's millions of accounts on Facebook, but you of course do not know every person on Facebook. Befriending someone on Facebook involves sending someone a friend request, which can either be accepted or denied by the person you sent it to. Once the friend request is accepted, your newly connected Facebook friend can private message you, call or video chat with you, view and interact with your posts, invite you to group chats, and more. This allows you to see your friends' life updates and any pictures they have posted as well. The number of Facebook friends people have can vary. Some people like to befriend people they are only acquaintances with. Some people only send or accept friend requests with family and friends. Some people like to befriend people on Facebook because they want to keep in touch with friends who live far away, even though they haven't seen them in a while. It is ultimately up to you how you approach connecting with people on Facebook. In this section, we will learn how to search for people on Facebook and how to send them a friend request. We will also learn how to accept or deny friend requests others have sent us. First, tap on the Facebook app icon on the home screen. Then, tap on the search icon located at the top right corner of the screen. The search icon is characterized as a magnifying glass. If you aren't seeing the search icon, make sure you are on the home page of Facebook. To know if you are on the home page, tap on the home icon located at the bottom left corner. Next, type in the name of a person you would like to connect with on Facebook. Then, tap the search or enter key located at the bottom right corner of the screen. After searching the name, Facebook will generate a list of people with the name you provided. To send a friend request, tap on Add Friend located under the person's name. If you aren't sure which account is the person you know in real life, tap on their profile picture. Tapping on their profile picture will allow you to see their profile, which allows you to view some information regarding the city they live in, sometimes where they work, and a few recent pictures. If you would like to receive updates about an organization or business, you can also search for the business name. As opposed to befriending an organization, you would tap on the follow button. Before we finish this section, I want to point out the back icon located at the top left corner of the screen. The back icon will return you to the previous screen display you were viewing on Facebook. So if you want to return to all other features of Facebook, tap on the back icon. On Facebook, we can send friend requests and receive friend requests from other users. In this section, we will take a look at how to accept friend requests. Often, your phone will notify you when someone has sent you a friend request. First, tap on Friends located at the bottom of the screen. You will see a list of people that have sent you a friend request. Tap on Confirm to accept the friend request. Tap on Delete to deny the friend request. Once you are friends with someone, their post will appear on your homepage on Facebook. Next, we will learn how to chat and send private messages to Facebook friends. This is similar to texting, but instead of using your phone number to message people, you message people using the chat function of Facebook. You will be notified when someone messages you on Facebook. Notifications can be found on your lock screen, which is the screen display shown when you click on the power button on your phone. You will also see Facebook messages in the notification center, which can be found by dragging a finger from the top to the bottom of the screen. A cool feature of smartphones is that you can tap on the message banner found on the notification center or lock screen, and it will open the chat function to reply. To send a message to someone, tap on the chat icon located at the top right corner. Then, tap on the name of the friend you would like to message. If you do not see the friend you would like to message, tap on Search located at the top of the screen to type in the person's name. When you open a chat box with a friend, you will notice a series of icons located towards the bottom of the screen. I'm going to talk about each of these icons from left to right. First, on the left, we have the camera icon, which opens the camera app to take pictures to send to the person you are chatting with. Then, we have the picture icon. Tapping on the picture icon will open your photo album app, where you can select multiple pictures to send to the person you are chatting with. Moving to the right, we have the microphone icon, which allows you to write a message using speech to text. Once you tap on the microphone, your phone will start generating text using words spoken out loud. Once you are done speaking, tap on the microphone again to end the listening session. Moving to the right, we have the letters AA. Tapping on AA will display the keyboard for you to type a message. Lastly, on the very right corner, there is a smiley face, which will display the emoji keyboard. This allows you to send emojis and other fun graphics to your friends. If you would like an in-depth overview about navigating messaging functions of the smartphone, I recommend watching our Texting with Smartphones video. Texting with smartphones and messaging people on Facebook function very similarly. You will notice at the top of the chat box, the person's name is displayed. This is how you know who you are sending a message to. You can also call or video chat with the person, which can be done by tapping on the phone and video icons located at the top right corner. To send a message to someone, tap on AA to display the keyboard. Then, type the message you would like to send. Then, tap on the send icon. The send icon on Facebook is a triangle, somewhat resembling a paper plane, located on the right-hand side of the screen. If you would like to return to all other functions of Facebook, tap on the back icon located at the top left corner of the screen. To send a picture, tap on the picture icon. Then tap on the pictures you would like to send. You can scroll vertically, dragging a finger from the bottom to the middle of the screen. Then tap on the blue Send button located at the bottom of the screen. As you and your friend message each other, you will notice your friend's messages will appear on the left side of the screen, while your messages will appear on the right side. Now that we have learned how to become friends with people on Facebook and how to chat with them, let's take a look at some safe practices to consider when using social media. As you message and post on Facebook, do not send anyone your social security number, banking information, or other private information. Avoid accepting friend requests from people you do not know personally. On Facebook, people who aren't friends with you can still send you a message, but Facebook will ask you for your approval to allow the person to send you a message. This is a rare occurrence, but it happens. Ignore the request and do not tap on any links sent by anyone you do not know or trust. These links could have a potential virus. Another thing to keep in mind on Facebook is to avoid engaging in posts that seem too good to be true. So perhaps someone is giving away money or an expensive trip. These are likely scams. We didn't talk about posting in this video, but we will in the next video in our Facebook video tutorial series. If you are someone who enjoys posting on Facebook, do not post your current location or address. Also remember that posts on the internet can be saved forever. Even if you delete a post, someone could screenshot it. It's nice to share life updates with friends and families, but it's always good to be mindful about what we post and how it might affect you or people included in the post. It is also important to know that you do not have to post anything on Facebook if you do not want to. It is pretty common for many users to exclusively use the chat function. Facebook is a great way to connect with people, but there have been cases of fake accounts being created. A fake account is an account that is often someone trying to impersonate another person, usually a public figure. To know if a public figure or organization is who they say they are, you can tap on their profile picture to view their profile. Next to their name should be a check mark. This means an administrator at Facebook has gone through a verification process with the person who runs the account. Although most Facebook accounts that are fake are made for public figures, some fake accounts can be made to look like regular people. One way to know if the Facebook account is real is to take a look at their profile picture. Ask yourself if the picture of the person is someone you know in real life. AI or artificial intelligence can generate profile pictures, but these may have distorted body parts as well. Another way to see if an account is real is to see if you have any mutual friends with the user. A mutual friend means that one or more of your current Facebook friends is friends with the person who sent you a friend request. You will notice under the person's name, it may say 6 mutual friends, or any number of mutual friends. Accounts where you have several mutual friends are unlikely to be fake. This was the first part of a 3-part series on using the Facebook app. In today's video, we talked a lot about connecting with people we know in real life on the Facebook app. If you would like a written guide of the content covered in the video, tap on the link below. Tapping on the link will bring you to the Tech Skills website created by CSU's Center for Healthy Aging, where you can view the written guide for Facebook and view other video tutorials for other apps. I hope this video was helpful for introducing you to the Facebook app.